Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar benefited from the minor losses following a bounce off the key support levels seen at 65.7080, and along with that, with the 60-day simple moving average, we can see is supported around 65.77. With this level holding presented bullish opportunity as the US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of six major currencies, retreated from 105.50 to 105.30. From the bounce, the market has posted a weak hammer. With the support holding, does anticipate further bullish opportunity to see the market rebound back towards the level around 66.45 to around 67 cents. Looking ahead, all eyes are on the RBA, or the Reserve Bank of Australia's board meeting and updated projections, with the expectations high that the RBA will maintain its official cash rate, or the OCR, and therefore the accompanying statement will be closely scrutinised for signals for future monetary policy emphasising data dependency. As it is widely expected, the RBA should keep rates on hold. While turning to the US, all eyes will be on Tuesday's May retail sales, and along with that, keeping an eye on Federal Reserve officials that could influence market sentiment and offer insights into the central bank's stance on recent inflation trends. Midweek, though, liquidity may be somewhat thin as the US market will be closed in observance for Juneteenth holiday. Although the technicals are somewhat lackluster, the hammer may come through to a bullish case and therefore support the upside call. Turning to the euro, the market bounced off that key level seen around 106.7075, and from there the dollar index, as I mentioned, retreated from 105.50 to 105.30. With a little bit of divergence here, as we can see, from lower lows to higher highs in the pattern, does suggest bullish divergence to support an upside test to look towards 107.45 and on towards 108. Any weakness, well, as long as the market holds above that key level of 106.7075, the bullish view holds. Viewing the dollar yen, the uptrend holds around 155.8085, and in light of how the market's performance, I anticipate a bearish outcome and look down towards that trend line. Viewing the top side, the market is struggling and therefore towards the highs of 157 may see potential supply emerging. As the market awaits for Super Thursday, when the Bank of England's rate decision will be announced, the support level seen around 126.40-45 holds, and with the recovery overnight may give further indication to the upside and look towards 128 and on towards 128.5. As long as we maintain above that level of 126.40, the bulls should continue to maintain and focus on the top side challenge. Turning to gold, the market was a little bit weaker overnight, but it still appears to be determined in taking the challenge higher, but struggling around 2,336 to 40. In light of how the market's performance is, it's still a little bit to the lackluster side, and therefore could see a pullback to 2,320 and lower down towards 2,300, with a broader call still around 2,250 to 70. Unless these technicals do strengthen up, that is marrying up along with the RSI and the MACD, then the weakness should prevail. As we turn to oil, the topside target has been reached at $79 and could see a bit of profit taking as we are overbought. This will now conclude for me to be neutral at these levels and time to reevaluate in case we do get a pullback to $76 a barrel. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report and I hope you enjoy the great start to the day.